Hello and welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Elyse, I'm one of the design team members. Today I'm showing you how to make this simple birthday card using all die cuts. These are new release products from the June release. Let's take a look at the project. It is a really fun, just happy rainbow birthday card that I think it'll be easy for you to remake. So I'm using the two smallest balloons from the Bunch of Balloons dies, the Happy Birthday Scripty die, and a number of different rainbow colored cardstocks. I'm going to go ahead and take the two smallest balloon dies and die cut them out of colored cardstock. Once I've got my rainbow here all together, I'm just going to go ahead and start assembling this. I'm assembling this directly onto my top fold A2 sized card front. I'm intentionally making these so that they extend off of the card, they overlap each other. I think that adds to a more organic look. I'm just going to go ahead and mess around with these, get them the way that I want them to be, and then I can go ahead and start gluing. So once I have these down, I can do some gluing. I've already glued most of these down, just gluing the last few on. Wanted this to just be a short video for you guys to watch. This card only took me about 15 minutes to make, including all of the die cutting. So pretty quick and simple card. Just going ahead and using some scissors to cut off the excess around the card on the balloons. These are just regular kitchen scissors, nothing fancy. Just going to go around and trim that off, just following the edge of my card base. Then I decided I wanted these to look glittery. I started out with this sparkle marker from Lawn Fawn, and it is probably better suited for a smaller image. I had a really hard time getting consistent coverage and making it look not streaky. So I ended up going ahead and grabbing my Nuvo Tonic Shimmer pen and using that instead. A tip that I have when using this pen, I know you're not supposed to squeeze it, but if you're going to cover large areas, I kind of squeeze a little bit out so I have a puddle going that I can use to pick up. It makes it go a lot quicker. And so far I haven't found that it ruins the pen. From here, I'm just going to take my happy and birthday die cuts. I die cut the words out of some sparkle cardstock and outline the shadow layer from some vellum. Just using liquid glue to adhere those down. And then I will place something heavy, in this case my tape runner, on top of these to make sure that they stick down. Once those have adhered, I'm going to be using that same liquid glue just on the back of the word die and going to go ahead and glue that down. Just lining that up so that it is going to be in the center. Going to do the same with birthday. And then that really completes my card. Like I said, this is a really quick and easy one. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Be sure that you subscribe to see more from the creative team here at Trinity Stamps. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much.